What is up, guys? It's Amy again with Bargain Mama, and sorry I had this in place. There we go. Again from my car. It is so hot. Happy 4th of July to everyone. I hope that you guys had an amazing day with your families. I am in Cottonwood right now, and so I ran out of videos, which I didn't think would ever happen because I'm home more now, and I don't really shop as much at home because I go home to my family and I have things to do, whereas in the other towns I don't have a whole lot to do. So I actually ran out of videos, and I was like, oh wow. So don't you worry, I have some more. So back there I have Walmart's, so I am going to do a Walmart haul later, probably from my car. Amazing deals. Goodwill thrift, you guys. Last time I went to the Goodwill, I did not find a whole lot. This time, oh sorry, I thought my thing was falling out of the windshield. This time I feel like I found amazing stuff, so I was really excited about the Goodwill this time. And then right now you guys are about to watch a Dollar Tree haul. So my Dollar Tree hauls do not do good. Like, actually none of my stuff has been doing good lately. Like, it only seems to be Dollar General, and even those are going down. So I'm not sure what's happening, but I'm just going to keep going with what I'm doing. I think I'm at 3,600 watch hours, which is amazing because I think I got like 1,500 more in just like a month. So because my Dollar General videos just went off. But again, I'm not getting as many views, but that's fine. I'm going to keep doing what I'm doing. I enjoy going to Dollar Tree sometimes. I enjoy going to Goodwill. I enjoy going to Walmart. Sometimes I don't have time to penny shop. So I'm just going to do the videos I like, and hopefully you guys will just keep watching. So we're almost 2 minutes in, haven't done the first thing. So let's see. I found some awesome, these are new to me. I don't know if they are new in other people's stores. She put it all in separate bags, so I know there's 2 more in here, but I was so excited, you guys. So this is 5+ Pop Bubble Snap Pen by Royal Deluxe. You guys, look at the blue dinosaur. So he pops. I don't want to open him right now, but anyways, it's a blue Pop-It pen with a dinosaur. That is so cute. So I found it in blue. So these are $125, but I think they were worth it. I really love them. I found one in red. I found one in yellow, and I found one in green. There's 2 more because I know there's 6. I'll find when we get to them, I'll show you, but there's the green. And then I did find their storage containers. They do not usually have these except for during school time, so I did pick up 2, 4, 6 of 2 of each color. I don't know how big they are, but I love these. I think that these are just the perfect size, almost like they remind me of like the Michaels containers like this. So, and I do love that it just snaps right here, and it's not like it doesn't just, you don't just have to push it down. I like that it has that. So I picked up 2 in the gray, 2 in the pink, love them. And wait, is that gray? I think this is purple, guys. Apparently I don't know my colors, because try not to move too much because I don't want to knock you guys down. And then this is gray. Okay, so here's the gray, purple, and pink, 2 of each. It doesn't say how big they are, but I love them. I think they're great for stickers and stuff. And at the end of this month, Amy with Bella's Bargains is coming over to help me. I don't want to say redo my craft room. I want to use more of the word clean my craft room and organize. So if you guys have ever seen an episode of Hoarders, that's mine, except for without, I've said this before in videos, if you think hoarding means that you're pooping and peeing in containers, that is not hoarding. That is just lazy and gross. But if you think of hoarding as I can't stop shopping and I have too much stuff, that's me. So she's going to come over on the last Saturday of this month, and she is going to help me pretty much get rid of and find where everything is, because it's just in there right now. Especially since I'm gone all the time. Like, I feel like I just take my bags in and don't put them away, and then I'll do it tomorrow, and it's so hot in my garage that if I do not go in before 7 a.m. I'm not gonna make it. I mean, I just cannot work in my garage. So anyways, yeah, so she's gonna come over, so I got those for us. I found the last 2 of these. This one I think is my favorite. I love how bright orange this Pop-It pen is, and then the purple. So these are the only colors that I found. There could be more. I have not seen them, but again, they might. So I think that they're so cute. Yeah, there we go. I don't know how to make a thumbnail, but if it does, I hope this is it, but I have no idea. I see people stop and do that, so maybe it'll work. Let me finish looking in this bag. Oh, so they had this really, really cute pair of unicorn socks, but I was like, I really don't need those. But I needed these. And they were, the other ones were by Beverly Hills Polo Club also. Knee highs, fits 5 through 9, one pair, and it is coffee and donuts. I mean, what in the world? I'm gonna think of it as hot cocoa and donuts because I don't drink coffee, but this is definitely some hot cocoa and donuts. And let's be honest, that little hot cocoa right there has whipped cream on it. My life. So these are knee-high socks. I will totally wear these 1000%. And another reason I like to get these kind of things is because my youngest son probably has 5,000 unmatched socks in his room, but he doesn't match them. And so my oldest son and I match our socks. So he comes into our room and takes our socks. So then what happens is his pile gets bigger and bigger and mine gets littler and littler. So he will not steal these socks. I assure you, he will not. He might go and get his own socks this time. I did pick up 2 more of these because I have not been able to find them at any other store, and I'm in love with these. These are Quick Cover by Contact. I showed these in my last one where I did the, I made the little purse things from Dollar Tree out of the locker rugs. So this is 18 inches by 1.5 yards because I got this to line more of my things, but I also got this to use with my Cricut. Yeah, so it's just, I'm just going to use it as like my transfer tape for my Cricut. Yes, I'm excited about that. So I got 2 more because like I said, I have not found them where I live. Let's just put these over here into that mess and just hope it doesn't move. Okay. Oh, let me try this one. Let's see what we got in here. So more of my little bins. And then I found these. Okay, there was 3 of these. Maybe not, no. So I found these. I think they're so pretty. They are like a little bit thin and stuff, but I'm gonna probably put some notebooks in here. I'm not sure. But I have been making my notebooks, so I'm super proud that I'm not just buying stuff and not using it. I think that this color is absolutely beautiful. And this one, and then they had like a purplish, but I really couldn't tell a huge difference, so I just got these 2. And then I found, so they have the cell phone cases now, and this is the iPhone 12, and it's already decorated. They had some with pink. I got these just to show you guys. I do not have an iPhone 12, and I think that this is one of the ugliest things I've ever seen in my life. But I just wanted to show you guys, they had different sizes. They had the 11, they had different ones, but I just wanted to show you that they had them there and that they do decorate them for you, and they are stuck to it on either side so that you can like put your hand in the back and hold it like that. In my opinion, make your own. If you like this, that's great. I would make my own because I think that this is atrocious, but I got it so you guys could see that they are, it was like in a whole, like it wasn't even on the wall or anything. Like it was just like a display they had just put out. And so there was like all kinds of different ones for different phones. I did pick up just some super glue. I wanted to use that while I'm in my hotel room to make some stuff. I'm gonna let me go back here. So I bought more of these. Let me show you. So I bought 2 more. So here we go. We have the bubble, the bath mat, right? That I have done before. But you guys, this reminds me of a Poppet. So I am going to, we'll just see. Okay. So I got 3 of these. We're all over the place. I got 3 of these for my son. They've had these a million times before. He likes the ones that come up on the top for his school. It's a hardcover. It's 50 sheets, you know, wide rolled, but so I got 3 of these for him. I know we're all over the place, but let me show you. So what I'm gonna do, I'm probably gonna put something like colorful down there first, but I'm going to cover a notebook in this, right? So here is like our Poppet, and I'll probably paint in some of these to make it more colorful. And just make it look really cute because this is just kind of plain Jane for me and I need more. But, so I'm going to do that. I'm going to put this pen with the notebook and, sorry, somebody just pulled in. And you guys, look what I found. I found the little like coin purses or whatever you want to call it, zipper case that goes with them. So I got most of them that match. So let's see, what do we have here? Let me see. Okay, so we'll just, let's say this. Sorry, just looking over there. I'm in my work parking lot. So here's our Poppet case, right? With our purple Poppet pen. And this already has like a hook thingy on it. So we're going to hang this from this notebook. Oh my gosh. So then maybe I'll paint some of these purple, some of them I'll put glitter in, and this is going to be so cute. So 125, 250, 350 and 350. Amy, where are you getting your math from? 1, 2, 250. So yeah, oh my gosh, math. So $5, and you have a whole Pop-It set. Yeah, because I'm counting the notebook as 125, this is 125, 125, and 125. And for $5, you have a whole Pop-It set. That is so cute. It's like, you could either keep it for your kids, or I feel like you could totally sell it. And I feel like you could sell it for like $10 or something, because the notebook is just so cute. You could even not connect this to the notebook and make just a notebook like cover, and then you could just swap out the notebooks all the time so that like it's not ruined after that. So I think that's so cute. I think it's amazing. But so now let me show you what these actually are. So these will open one. So these are what I found. I saw someone else haul them, I cannot remember, and I was like, oh my gosh, I want to find those. So they are just little Pop-It cases, and you open it up and just put whatever you want in there. Oh my gosh, like, are you kidding me? I think it's so cute. It has the little latch. So I picked up this one, and it has the little tops on it in blue. This one is just a circle in purple. I picked up the pink in a heart, and then I picked up the red with the little top thingies on it. So I think these are so cute. They're by Royal Deluxe. I mean, I'm in love with these. I love them. So I got those. I know I was all over the place on that one, like showing you one thing and then another, but I think that little combination is going to be so cute. Don't get that in here. All right, let's see. I guess I did have 3. Let me see. Over to here now. So anyways, that's why I bought, like, even though I was all over the place, that's exactly why I bought the more of the liners right here. I'm just in love with these. I'm in love with doing stuff with these. Love it. Like I said, I watch Amy from Bella's Bargains a lot, and she always has just like such great ideas. And sometimes I don't use her ideas, but I'm like, oh, that could be used for a craft. And then I just go with that. So apparently I did get the purple because, yep. So I have this one, again, an iridescent kind of thing, very cute. Again, I got these notebooks for my son, just the hardcover. He loves them. He doesn't like just like the legal pads that you can flip up because he thinks the papers get all like messed up and everything. So he likes to be able to have a cover on the front of it and then just open it when he needs to. And he doesn't want, so he's very particular, let me tell you, but he's getting good grades, so that's fine. He puts it back like this and then flips it over. So he just wants it very tidy this way. So I'm like, well, why can't you use a notebook with spiral bound? He doesn't want the spiral bound on, like, he doesn't like the spiral bound paper, but he doesn't want a composition notebook because you can't flip it to the back. So he wants it very sleek like this. So that's why I got him 3 more of these. I did pick this up. I have a lot of the paint pens. I do not have this beautiful color. This is so pretty. I'm going to open it. I don't know what it says. It's by Color Factory. It's, let's see, I don't know, but I just want to use this because, oh, I left the lid in there. Hold on a second. So I have a lot of these paint pens from Dollar Tree, and I love them, but I do not have this one. So let's just paint. I mean, I don't have glass, but let's see. I mean, that is so pretty. Like, it's like a fuchsia kind of. And it's not on glass, so it would probably come out better on glass. But I got that I love. And then I did pick up some clear shower hooks. Because, again, I thought that instead of using like a metal ring to connect stuff to here, I felt like we could use these plastic hooks. So there's 12 pieces in here. And then I just felt like it kind of went more with the theme. Oh goodness, how do you get this thing open? Oh gosh. Okay, let's get the different one. That one's hard, and maybe I'm not opening it right. I mean, I know how to open a shower hook. Oh no, I don't. Oh no, this one doesn't have a hole. Oh my gosh, I was on the wrong side. It's, okay. Scratch that. Anyways, so I just think that instead of having a metal hang from this, that having tassels or whatever else you have hanging from this is going to be so cute like this. You know what I mean? Like, it just goes with it more because it's clear. You know, you can hang the little purse from here, and I just like this a lot better, and for whatever I want to hang from it. So that's why I got those. And there's 12. And then the last two things, oh my God, the bottle moved. At this point, I'm not sure if there's something moving around in this car. Like, I've got to get it cleaned out, but that scared the crap out of me. I'm so sorry. Heart attack. Anyways, so these last two things, my finger itches, I did pick up. I think that these are so cute. So this is a llama, and here's a shark. And they are like a faux leather kind of material. So they are like a thicker, like, case on it. And it just has lined paper in here. 60 sheets, 4.02 inches by 5.79 inches. But I just think that they are so cute. So there is the little llama, and here is the shark. And again, I mean, the cover and stuff for $1.25 I think is a great deal. It's not just a regular notebook. So yeah, guys, that is my haul. Again, super excited about what I found this time. It's not just a normal haul. Like, I actually found stuff that I wanted and that were new, because like I said, I'm not just going in to get anything because I don't have that kind of money and I don't have that kind of storage. So I am super excited about these things because they are new to me, and I'm going to be able to use them for crafting. So I hope that you guys have a great day. Again, there will be a Goodwill haul, which I'm super excited about, and a Walmart haul with absolutely amazing. There was still like 5 huge racks of stuff out, of clothes and shoes and underwear and socks at the Walmarts in Cottonwood. I haven't been to Flagstaff lately, and I haven't been to mine in Tucson because, again, when I'm home, I really don't go out very much. So, I mean, huge things. So I can't wait to show you guys that either. But with that being said, I hope that you guys have an amazing day. Thank you so much for continuing to support me, and I will see you guys later.